Hi everyone, Miss you over here, and we're going to start with the second shape that we're supposed to do for this assignment. It's a shape you've seen before, and I am going to again do it on Onshape. It's on your Chromebook. We're going to go create, we're going to go document, and I'm going to call it 7.1 shape 2. And I'm going to go OK. And we're going to be doing chain dimensioning, and it's called unidirectional dimensioning. Chain dimensioning is we go from point to point, we put in all the measurements, and unidirectional, we read everything horizontally. Like in our last shape, we're going to start off with the front drawing. I'm going to select, put it front. I'm going to do sketch, and I'm going to create a sketch that's similar to I have to select the line draw, and I'm going to create something that is similar to the shape, not exactly, and then I like to dimension it at the end. There's nothing really to say here. I'm just kind of trying to keep everything perpendicular on the horizontal and the vertical axes, and you can see the black lines show me that. And I'm going to go escape to get out of the function, and now I'm going to start dimensioning. The inside, the dimension, this is the dimension icon. I'm going to select it, and I know the inside is 0.2 foot. I don't want that. It does tell me that it's 90 degrees, but so I think I'll just do the outside. I'll start over here. It is 0.75. That was a pretty good 0.75 inches. That was a pretty good estimate. This is 0.5. As long as I'm in the function, I don't have to 0.5 inches. Enter. Don't forget to go enter, and it should adjust it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1 inch across the top. 1 inch. I'm going to go enter. Ooh, it just shows up it was 1. And let's do, it looks, let me do this one over here. This is 0.5. 0.5 inches. Whoops, my phone is ringing. And okay, here I go, 0.5. And let's do 0.75, 0.5 for the other side. There probably is a constraint, but I don't know it. So let me go 0.5. Okay. And we're just doing very basic shapes right now. 0.75 inches. And that did not work out. Where is my mistake? Let me go back. Go back one more. And 0.5, 0.75. This should be, let me dimension here. This should be 0.5. And across the bottom is 1.5. There we go. This piece over here is 0.25. I'm going to go from here to here is 0.25. And everything looks like it's dimensioned. So let's just double check. There's 2 dimensions that I didn't do. Let me double check that they're correct. I did not do this one. So what is it? And it's 0.75, which is what I wanted it to be. And I did not do, I did not do the inside dimension. I did not do this one. That's 0.25, exactly what I wanted it to be. And I did not do these inside dimensions, so let me, this one and that one. It is 0.25 as well, so let me get those. 0.25 inches and it is 2.25 inches also. All right, so now everything looks like it's perfectly dimensioned. Let's go, I'm calling it sketch 1, and I'm gonna go accept it, and we are now ready to extrude. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1.5 inches thick. So when I go extrude, I'm selecting it. I want it to be 1.5, 1.5 inches. Go enter. And it has been extruded, but we cannot see that it's been extruded. So I always like to look at it. And let me see the isometric view. And it looks perfect. Okay, so we just created the part and now we're ready to create the drawing.